Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. I heard about this recipe from social media. Its name is Japan chicken. Sounds really interesting. Let's see how to do it. It's a simple and easy recipe, so into a bowl add some cornstarch, all-purpose flour, salt and pepper. Mix all these dry ingredients. Into that add some water little by little and make it into a thick paste. Once the batter is ready, add in some boneless chicken cubes. Coat it really well with the batter. Now heat some oil in a pan and fry all these chicken pieces till it turns crispy and golden shade. Fry all the chicken pieces on a medium to low flame till it turns this beautiful color and crispy. Look at that. It's perfectly cooked. Now let's make the white sauce for the chicken fry. Into another pan add some butter and melt it. Once the butter gets melted, add some crushed garlic and saute it for 1 minute. Add some green chilies, saute it. Now add around 300 ml of milk. Here I have used full fat milk. Mix it and boil it. Once it starts to boil, add some salt and sugar. Mix it really well. Then finally add in some cashew nut powder. Just take some cashews and powder it in your blender and add it to the milk. Boil it. Once it turns slightly thick, add all the fried chicken pieces. Mix it and cook it for some time till all the gravy gets really thick and coats well onto the chicken pieces. Finally, add some coriander leaves and our easy and simple Japan chicken is ready. So this recipe is with crispy and crunchy chicken with creamy and yummy sauce. So do try out this simple and easy recipe. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more amazing recipes from our channel. Thank you.